Hi everyone, MP Will Greaves here with another weekly wrap on the road. I'm coming to you from a somewhat wintry Montreal, where I ended my week after voting for the federal budget, discussing public health care with the Minister of Health, meeting with pensioners seeking fairness from the UK government and students visiting Parliament Hill, and also receiving an award from my alma mater. Let's get into it. This week, the federal budget passed the House of Commons. As we've discussed before, the budget maintains social programs while making major new investments in housing, infrastructure, national defense, and major projects from coast to coast to coast. As a minority government, we couldn't pass the budget alone, but we received direct and indirect support from members of the Green Party, Conservative Party, and NDP. The budget passing means there won't be another election for the foreseeable future, which I know that many people in our community support as a sign of stability in some pretty turbulent times. In Ottawa, I met with the Federal Health Minister, Marjorie Michel, and other MPs to discuss how to strengthen public health care, and particularly how to provide care to people experiencing serious challenges with their mental health and addictions. We know this is a key issue across BC and much of Canada, and is a top priority for the minister in the months ahead. I also met with British Pensioners for Fairness, a group representing people in Canada who receive a pension from the UK government that isn't indexed to keep up with inflation, even though pensions for people who've moved to other countries are. This means that Canada spends millions of dollars each year to provide assistance to former British public servants who are not treated fairly by the UK government. It's an important issue that affects thousands of people in Canada and hundreds in Victoria, and so my team will be following up to see what we can do to support fairness for people in their retirements. I also met this week with college and university students from across Canada who are visiting Parliament Hill. As a political science professor, I have to say it was a real pleasure to engage with bright and eager young people and to share my perspective after 7 months as your MP. Speaking of universities, I ended the week being honored by my alma mater, Bishop's University, in the beautiful Eastern Townships of Quebec. Bishop's is the place where I began studying political science and also where I met my amazing wife, Carolyn. So it's had a pretty transformative impact on our lives. I was honored to be granted a Top 10 After 10 award from the university and to be back on campus after almost 20 years, even if it was only for a day. So it's been another full week for me in Ottawa with a little winter road trip on the side. Next week, I'll be back in the House of Commons with some exciting stuff on the docket. But I'll save that up for next week's weekly wrap. For now, thanks for staying tuned, thanks for staying engaged, and I'll see you again soon.